Hi everyone! Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make passive income using ChatGPT. In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to leverage the power of GPT-3 and the design capabilities of Canva to create and sell online courses on Udemy. This method allows you to tap into the growing demand for online learning and generate passive income. By following the steps, you can set up your course once and let Udemy handle the marketing and sales for you. For additional information, Udemy Incorporation is an education technology company that provides an online learning and teaching platform, and it was founded in May 2010. Anyways, after that short information, let us start. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up your browser of choice. Then, we're going to be using this free AI tool made by Rob. This website is for topics and ideas. So, what we want to do now is head to ryrob.com. And in here, you will be greeted by this page. Then, here in the Explorer tab, what you want to do is to type in Udemy Microsoft. After that, results of what you just searched up will appear. In here, you can see the volume. Those are the amount of times this keyword has been searched up in the internet. So, as we can see, there is a high demand in this topic. So, what you want to do is select this topic and then press Ideas tab. Then search up Udemy Microsoft Excel. In the results, what you will see are several ideas on what you can focus on. So, pick whatever course that might pick your interest. Then, open up a new tab. Then, what you want to do next is to press your search bar and then type in chatopenai.com. Or just simply search ChatGPT on Google. Or you can just use this type in link as the guide, as you can see here on my screen. And as you can see, my account is already signed in ChatGPT. So just kindly sign up or sign in to your account before proceeding. However, if you do not have a ChatGPT account, as I have mentioned, you can sign up or log in in an existing account of yours, like your Gmail. Once here, you can already start chatting with the AI. Now, what we are going to do is to ask the AI to make a script for us. So, what you are going to do now is to create a course outline for the topic that you have selected. Here, you will see the titles that the AI will make. Once you have selected a topic, what you want to do is ask the ChatGPT to write a script for the topic that you have just selected from what ChatGPT previously made. Once you are done, open up a new tab and open Canva. And once you're in the home screen, search for Talking Presentation. What will happen is a selection of templates will now be available for you to use. Once you have selected a template, it will now direct you to the customization page. And as you can see in the right side of your screen, there are some choices for customizations. In Design, there you can select pre-made designs which you can further customize. So as you can see, It will show you all of the available templates in making a YouTube video. Next is elements. This is where you can get stickers, photos, shapes, and other things that you will need for your video. Then uploads. In here, you can upload your own files or videos that you have recorded on your own. In text, this is where you can add text to your video. This comes with so much fonts to help you further customize your design. On Draw, this is a drawing tool if you want to draw something on your video. And lastly, projects. Here are where you can find all the projects that you have made in the past. So, what you want to do now is to start customizing. So, once you have made your video, what you want to do to proceed is upload your lecture on Udemy. But take note, don't forget to save your Canva video. So, what you want to do is to open up a new tab and search for Udemy. Once here, you will be greeted by the main menu. What you are going to do now is press this one that says Teach on Udemy. Then, once you have been directed into a new page, press Get Started. And then, the website will then ask you several questions. Just answer it, and then what you want to do from here is to upload your video lecture. And that's it. You can now make passive income using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.